Welcome, cooks, to the Recipe Vault. Today I pulled out zucchini bread out of my handwritten recipe collection. This one's been used a lot because it looks like it's a little beat up. I love trying different zucchini bread recipes. Every time I make a different one because I'm searching for the ultimate zucchini bread. Today we have a special guest in the kitchen. We tried out this kitchen in the box stand mixer. Today we're trying out the little baby sister, right? This is a 3.5 quart mini, a little powder pink. We're going to give this baby a try. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So I have a pretty decent sized collection of recipe boxes. These are like your grandma's recipes, right? They're filled with handwritten, mostly handwritten, some clippings, recipes. And we've been going through on the Recipe Vault on this series, going through some of these recipes to cook grandma's recipes, right? I pulled out zucchini bread, and you guys are probably saying that's a pretty common recipe. I love making different kind of zucchini bread from different recipes because I am searching for the ultimate zucchini bread, and I haven't found that yet. I've made good ones, but I haven't found the one that I said yet that is my go-to. So I'm still on the lookout, right? So we're going to see if Grandma has that. This was from Prosser, Washington. So the state of Washington, this recipe represents your entire state, right? No, I'm kidding. But so we're making zucchini bread from this collection. And we previously used this kitchen in a box stand mixer. I'll put a link up here and down there to this video. It was really interesting. Look at the color on this mixer. It comes with this bowl, and it also comes with a 5-quart stainless steel bowl. So you have an option of color or traditional stainless steel. Recently, like in the last couple weeks, Kitchen in the Box has brought out a sister mixer. So this is a 5-quart, 4.5 quart. This is a mini. It's a 3.5 quart. So we're going to try this baby out. And I want to thank Kitchen in the Box for sending this so we can try this new little baby out. Sometimes I love to just pull out my mini mixer when I'm doing like a small batch. I'm doing a quick cupcakes, cakes, cookies. They're great to use. You can move them around really easily and they're fun, right? So we have, this is the color pink we got this time, right? This is a soft pink. I know my cooks love pink mixers. And so when I get the opportunity to try out a pink mixer, I'm there, right? So this is a little cute thing. So here's our manual. And, does this have 2 bowls too? What? This makes it fun. The 2 bowls makes it fun. So we have the pouring chute, or pouring shield, or whatever you want to call it. We have a little mini paddle. What a cutie pie, right? And we have our little mini mixer. Look at this cute little thing. Oh, and it does have 2 bowls, like this one. Except they're 2 little mini bowls. Wow, this is great if you need something, if you can't move around stuff that's heavy, if you want something light, you want to make something with your kids. This is a cute little mixer, huh? So we have a little mini dough hook. So here's our little whisk for doing whipped cream. Here's our little dough hook for doing bread dough. And yeah, this is a little paddle. So look at me. Why is my voice getting higher when I'm around a little mini mixer?
Because they're getting giddy.
It's so cute. The tone of my voice changes.
It's like a baby.
So yeah, this comes with a little pink ball. How cute. Look at that. Just like the other one. And then we have a stainless bowl. So here's the stainless bowl. So you can use, this is good because if you want to mix two different things, you're making cake, cupcake, and then you want to make frosting. You have two bowls you can switch out. You don't have to wait around to clean them. Clean them when you're done. So we're going to go cutie pie. And then take this off. Do the little switcheroo if you feel like more color. We have a little thing. That is so cute. So let me wash all this stuff up and we'll get to making some zucchini bread. Okay, so this recipe doesn't give very good instructions. So I'm just going to use the instructions that I know, right? So we have our little mixer here. And I'm going to put some eggs in here. And put a little sugar in here. Just going to cream these up a little bit. Woo! How fun. This mixer would be great if you had an RV, huh? Mm-hmm. Putting some oil. I'm going to put some lemon juice, fresh squeeze, thank you, boo.
You're welcome.
And some vanilla. Here I have my dry ingredients. I have a little salt. That's going in. Baking powder, baking soda, and some cinnamon. I'm just going to stir that up. Once our flour goes in, it'll be a little dry, but we will be putting in the zucchini. So let's put in our flour. Woo. Then I'm going to put in our zucchini. Zucchini is going to bring some liquid back into it. Nice. Cute. I haven't really had to scrape it much. Awesome, we have zucchini bread batter right in this little mini. Let me get my pan. Okay, so let's pan it up. This is pretty thick batter. Mm-hmm. All this is going to fit in here. This is too much batter for this pan.
So what'd you need? 2 smaller pans, maybe?
Let me go get something different. Okay, so I'm being a little weird. I'm using my USA pan, Pullman pan, to make one long loaf. This is a really high pan, because if you compare this to a loaf pan, it's significantly lower. So the bread is not going to rise like up above this. So I would say 2 8x4s, 4x8s would be better. This is a 9x5. It's the USA pan medium. Probably works in the 2 smalls, but I'm using this one because I gotta be just like that, right? So into the oven this goes for an hour. So this actually took almost an hour and a half. I don't know if it was because I had this bigger pan. If I put it in 2 4x8s, it wouldn't take so long. Plus they had it at 325. So it wasn't clear in the middle with the toothpick. It took like an hour and a half, right, Boo? An hour and 20.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's a long loaf. Look at that baby. Smells good. So this has got to cool completely before we can cut it. So when that happens, we'll be back. It's time for some zucchini bread. So about the mixer. So this is a little tiny mixer. So if you're looking for something that you could move around your kitchen easily, you could store away in a cupboard literally, and you want it for making simple quick breads, you know, pancake mix, some cookies, that kind of stuff. This is a great mixer. It comes with a dough hook. We haven't tried that. But I really think as a basic mixer, if you're a brand new cook, if you have a kid, if you want something for your RV, if you have a big mixer and you want something small that you could just take out and make some whipped cream in, this is great. So let's try this. Links will be down in the description for this one and the hot pink one, right? So look at that. This is our recipe. There's a little crispy on the outside of this, but it looks really nice and fluffy inside. So I'm going to give Eric a piece. I'm going to give him a little swipe of butter on here. You want a swipe of butter, Boo?
I want swipes, plural. Hey.
Swipes.
Hey.
And I'll take a little swipes of butter. Ooh. I don't have a fork, so I'll have to eat this as is, right?
Oh, like you're such a barbarian.
Okay, so let me take a little piece here.
I'll give you a little spoiler. It tastes good.
It's yummy. The cinnamon. I'm going to taste really good.
I mean, the inside's all nice and soft and moist. You got a little crust on the outside.
Yeah, it's a little crusty on the outside. Take this right in the middle. It's tasty. Is it the ultimate zucchini bread? No. I'm still on the hunt for that. But it is a good zucchini bread. I don't know. I want to try one with brown sugar. I don't know. I think some commercials...
Oh, dear God.
I think some commercial zucchini breads have like gums and stabilizers because they tend to be, they tend to be really dark and kind of greasy. I don't know. This is tasty though. I'll put the link on I'll put the recipe on my website so you can try it out. It's pretty sweet. It's pretty sweet, but tasty.
We'll let that bother you.
So cooks, I think Eric's going to polish a big chunk of this off for dinner, right? Thanks for joining me. Recipe will be up on my website, so will the links to the mixer. Thank you, Kitchen in a Box. Fun little mixer. I do have something to tell you, though, because we have a big Kitchen in the Box mixer coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining me.